I've been considering starting a new series called Woodworking Mysteries. I'll reveal projects that I've completed or are works in progress, and you'll have to guess what the project does, what it's for, and or technically how it works. So this project has a piece of string here, which is integral to the project. The rope component, you'll note, has 2 loops and is roughly, I would say between 12 and 14 inches. We've got a slider here. We've got 2 rails and ball bearings that allow it to slide. And we've got a basin here with a tube connected, JB welded in there, such that it will drain out the tube. Furthermore, this project, pieces of hardware that need to be installed. We have 4 eyelets and 3 hooks. Now, the hooks may be extraneous, and there could be extra eyelets too, but you'll see we have a hole here, a hole there, and a hole here. Realistically, only 1 out of 3 of these is required, so those could be extraneous. You'll note that we have a hole right here, and there's a few more holes over here. We have 1 right in the middle, and then there's 3 here going around this edge, and then there's a 4th one over here near the tube. So we have a grand total of 9 holes and only 7 pieces of hardware. This is also a hint. So this is a pulley. This could be an improvement or addition, but you'll see that the rope does slide fairly easily. I think that's about it. What do you think this does? So as far as what this is, I'm not telling. Oh, and I almost forgot. The bottles are integral to the function currently. I would love to improve this to not need bottles, but the bottles are what makes it work, so you have to remember the bottles are part of it. You'll note we have some tear out over here. That's not integral to the design. So this was also interesting during assembly, and a bit of trivia. It's really challenging to drill holes such that you don't tear out, and this is the best one I've got. You can see it just barely avoids tear out. And this one here is the assemble device and shows the motion of this platform on the roller bearings. So what do you think it does? Leave your answer in the comments below. Some possible hints. This device is not in use today because if I put this device in use and it malfunctions in any way, there could be flooding. The second reason this device is not in use today is because it takes up more space than it looks like it takes up. I can't actually put this flat on the surface. You'll note this tube overhangs an edge somewhere, so it actually takes up more space than it looks like it takes up. So what do you think it does? Leave your answer in the comments below.